In this video, we will go over how to use the SatScreen Connection Center to create a report from the data you have collected on your SleepSat 3D high-resolution pulse oximeter. Before getting started, you will need to install the SatScreen Connection Center app on your computer. You will also need the email and password you set up when you received the activation email from Patient Safety. See our installation and setup video or contact us at support@patientsafetyinc.com for assistance with installation and account questions. To download your data and create your report, we start with the SleepSat 3D oximeter in hand, holding down the left button until the device turns on. Once the device is on, plug the included USB cable into the micro USB port on the SleepSat 3D and connect the other end to your computer. Now, open the SatScreen Connection Center and log in if prompted. SleepSat 3D's display will count down as the Connection Center syncs with your device. Once the countdown is complete, enter your patient's information. The only required information is the first and last name and the birth date. If the patient is already in SatScreen, select the existing patient by entering the first few letters of the first or last name and selecting them from the list. This lookup feature fills in the form with the patient's information and later adds the study data to the patient record in the SatCloud portal. If desired, enter additional patient details by clicking the More arrow. Now that you have the patient entered, you'll select data for the patient. The default view shows studies that meet a set of criteria. This view combines recording segments from the night together and displays the combined study if it is longer than 2 hours. If you do not see the study listed, you can select the Show All Recordings button to see a list of every recording on the device. You can also change the default criteria by editing the study criteria in the app settings. From the available list, select the patient's study or studies. Add comments to each of the studies if desired. Click on Run Report. SatScreen will analyze the data and a PDF report will appear for each study selected when finished. Reports and corresponding study data are automatically saved to your SatCloud online portal. Clear the device when prompted, or by using the Clear Device button in the bottom right. This will erase all the data off your SleepSat, so make sure you have run reports for any data you wish to review. While you can log into your SatCloud portal from any device, you can conveniently access these features from the SatScreen Connection Center app as well. The Patient and Report buttons in the left menu provide shortcuts to your SatCloud portal. Here you can see alerts on patient data that is outside normal limits, track patient progress over time, view reports you ran previously, and more. The Profile button in the upper right to view or make changes to your account, and the gear icon allows you to customize certain app settings. You can find additional information on these and other features of the SatScreen Connection Center in the user's manual. That's it for this video. Thank you for joining us.